The authorities have gradually launched a holistic process to reduce the backlog of court cases that have led to costly prison upheavals. It was only in June of this year that the judicial system finalized the arrangement to commence operation of the new family court. Then on Monday, the night court was operationalized in Georgetown. Also on Monday, the Cave Hill campus of the University of the West Indies started a project called Impact Justice, which is executed through mediation training. Here is Project Director Professor Velma Newton, who believes that the project will assist Guyana's judicial system.
If you can deal and solve with a lot of conflict at the community level, we would reduce the number of matters taken to the court, because as you know, the courts are overwhelmed.
The mediation training is currently being held at the Marriott Hotel and Duke Lodge for social workers of the Ministry of Social Protection, NGOs, and members of the police force. Professor Newton explains how mediation works in reducing court cases.
If you have persons trained at the community level to deal with issues as they arise, and some of them are minor issues, they will not be taken to court. Because at the end of a mediation, the parties are supposed to sign an agreement saying that this is what they've agreed to, and that agreement can be registered in the court, and it would end the matter.
Sergeant O'Neill Small, who is in charge of the mediation training for the police force, says the training will help to deal with the backlog of cases in the courts.
The intention really is to find another way to deal with matters of conflict or disputes, and to help parties to come to a resolve, a resolution, without having to use alternative methods like the court system, which we know really is inundated with a lot of matters, so we can help reduce some of the backlog of cases before the court.
The project will run for 5 days, but continuous training is in the pipeline. For HGP Nightly News, I'm Jessica Daw.